the ball bearing goes in. This goes in.
Ball bearing first.
Ball bearing first.
And
Then
that
this goes in.
Uh-huh.
And it's not real super tight. It's just, you know. There's a gasket. First there's a gasket that sits here.
I feel like that's the accelerator pump.
Yeah. So where's the other part from it? Yeah, it's the accelerator pump. So the accelerator pump shouldn't have gas in here, but it'll have some gas. Because otherwise it wouldn't have crystallized up.
Yeah, so that thing can handle gas then.
Okay. So you see how it comes there, and then the ball bearing sit right in there.
Yeah.
Right in the hole.
Got it.
And then here's the accelerator. Oh, here you are, accelerator pump. So this goes on. This way, just like that. The spring on this side. There's this big spring here. Kind of burn. Like that. Yeah. And I went back like that.
Okay.
Like this.
Is this kit going to give us stuff that we're not going to all use?
Huh?
Is this kit going to give us stuff we don't all use?
No, we're using all of it.
Oh. That's a lot of stuff.
Just like that. Like that away. Like this. And then accelerator pump.
Okay.
So the new spring is in there. Wait. Is there a new spring in here? No. We're using the old spring.
All right.
So I stuck it in here.
Got it. All right. Let me find a bucket for this guy.
This needs to be soaked too. And I don't know if maybe you can see how it's clogged.
Oh yeah. So you mean to get little something to get that out?
Yeah, or just let it soak and see if it should come out, right? It's just buildup.
Yeah.